Yo, what's up guys? Hope you all well and wealthy, amen. So a little bit of backstory for today's video. At first I have an idea to make something out of my son's Hot Wheels roll cage. Let's call it the Fusion Project. Then I begin the project. I even already unrivet, removing the paint and repaint it white, cutting some PVC board to make a body kit. But in the middle of the process, somehow I found what I think is better diecast for this fusion project. So, instead of throwing away this unfinished roll cage, I rather to make something out of it with what have been done. Since this is a different project, a new project, first thing to do is removing the paint. But again, new idea comes up. I don't think I need to remove the paint entirely, because I really want to make this car look badass, not sports car smooth. This is perfect, kind of effect I'm looking for. Now, I want to make the car look rusty, old and abandoned. Cover the body entirely with a dark brown. Since I'm using an acrylic water-based paint, I use my wife's hairdryer to make it dry fast. Sush, don't tell my wife. Then I add lighter brown and yellow. Don't forget to do the same thing with the chassis and the seat. Now let's paint the engine with silver. I want this project to be a 100% done manually with brush. I want this car to be as safe as possible from zombie attack. Let's add some mesh. I even measure it manually, by eyeballing it, haha. Secure it with a power glue, any brand would do. Continue on covering up the car with a mesh. Also make the mesh look rusty and old. This is not secure enough. Let's make a shield in front of it, with a PVC board. Press the PVC board with the back of the brush to make a dent effect. And secure it with a power glue. I forget to press record when painting the shield. Well, it was the same technique anyway. Give a wash effect on the engine, so it won't be look shiny and new. What do you think so far? Let's give it a try to assemble it. I also need to cover the rear area with a mesh. Again, paint and dry it with a hairdryer. I make another shield plate for the rear side. Still not badass enough. Let's add spikes. Yes, spikes. I made it out of a toothpick. Time for tires, also make them look dirty of dirt and sand. Time to put them all back together. If you've seen my Instagram, you know that this is not the first time I make an apocalypse car. My first apocalypse car was using a Tamiya -2. So that's it guys. Here's the spinning car shot, and I'm hungry. I need to cook an instant noodle, spicy one, with a rice, and a sunny side up. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment on someone else's channel. Not here. I need food, not a comment. Ka chow. And oh, if you're wondering how the driver can get in, I don't know either. He have to figure it out by himself. Haha.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top.